Welcome back on Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel. This is the official test syllabus of 1 year Psychiatric Nursing Diploma program offered in government nursing institutes. This test paper will be applicable for upcoming entry test. So here we go. I am going to share the test syllabus for this entry test. So this is the official nursing test syllabus announced by SIBA testing service for 1 year psychiatric nursing diploma program post RN. Test paper level diploma in general nursing level. This will be the level. Total MCQs will be 100 and there will be the 100 minutes for attempting test. There will be 10 MCQs on English. Life sciences MCQs will be 10 MCQs from medical and surgical nursing, 10 MCQs from community health nursing, 10 MCQs from nursing leadership, and 10 MCQs from basic psychology. The total MCQs will be 100. Sample papers of SIBA testing service. SIBA testing service has not issued any sample paper for this test. However, sample papers of Sindh testing service and national testing service are uploaded on Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel. These sample papers will provide you a valuable idea for the test preparation. Also, past papers of BSN generic are available on Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel, and past papers of SIBA testing service are also uploaded on Reti Educational Academy. These sample papers and past papers will provide you an idea for test preparation and also for actual MCQs. Additionally, test preparation material of different testing organizations are uploaded on Reti Educational Academy. Also, entry test preparation material of different universities, including past papers, sample papers, and test preparation material are uploaded. This will help you for the preparation and entry test guidelines. Thank you.